got the new kit on the block, and that's the Garmin Fenix 5S. And I decided about the 5S because of the price. Currently the 6 lineup is the latest one from Garmin Fenix, and it's too damn expensive. That's the truth. It's expensive. It's upwards of 600, 700, up to 1,000 bucks for the 6X with the solar panel, which is actually a gimmick. Doesn't give you much of a battery life, and that one is 850 euros. I just got it, of course, for a much better price right now. It's really an amazing watch. And that's how it looks like. That's the champagne steel bezel with a metal band. And it's actually not much bigger. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. To be completely honest with you, I thought I'm buying a big watch. So basically this one has a sapphire crystal glass on top. And I'm just gonna now put it on my wrist to see how it fits. If it fits, let me see how this opens. Come on. Ah, yeah. Pretty good. I think it's just made for my hands, you know. The impression is of a very high quality watch. The reinforced stainless steel, sapphire crystal, there is the heart rate monitor underneath, and the cable socket. So that is, by the way, silicone band as well in the box. This is the charging cable. Let's see how does it fit. Now let's see how this one fits here. Wow. It does click. This click. This limb seems to be positionless on both sides. You can put it like that, and you can put it the other way around as well. Yes. Okay, so that's about the cable. And now let's check out the silicone band right here. Silicone band's supposed to be a quick fit band, so let's see, how do you open that one? Yeah. It's actually, I'd say, pretty easy. You just push right here. That's the watch itself. And size-wise to the Pebble. Actually, you can say it's the same size, and it's a very small watch, actually, I would say. Okay. Yeah. Now, one thing, first impression is that, of course, the bands have to be Garmin bands. You cannot put normal watch bands here. because of the way they attach, which is a little nifty trick in order for them to make a little more cash out of us. And then we have here the look at the back bezel, stainless steel, and it says Taiwan on it, so it's basically they assembled in Taiwan on the spec. Fenix 5S, the reinforced polymer. What is a reinforced polymer? I guess it's the side of the body, right here of the main chassis. Okay. About the functions, you gotta do a whole lot more video in order to cover everything. So this was supposed to be a super quick unboxing, and there's nothing there except some paper to recycle. Stainless steel bezel.